Alright. Done saving. Let's get this over with. With something get it over with, I actually don't know. Guess who? I actually don't know. Oh, he's glitched out.
We're on.
Cool. There we go.
Golden.
Yeah, dope. Super
I don't
dope.
like this. Hold on, I want to try something.
What?
Hey! Is anyone out there? I thought so.
Yeah? I would have. I would actually try that as well.
Due southeast.
You're still talking over me. I don't know why you do that. I actually want to save first and rearrange our little, sneaky. Shamar Shasberg. Background. Considered the most elusive entertainer in Cloudbank by 12% of the population, Mr. Shamar Shasberg earned his reputation through numerous absurd public pranks and other daring or ill-advised feats. Hey, trickster! Thus he earned the nickname The Magician from his many thousands of fans and enjoyed executing highly unusual, unscheduled performances in Cloudbank's most bustling neighborhoods. His acts grew more ambitious over time, culminating in his promise to sky drop in a restricted region of Cold Walk and walk right out, escaping administrative detection. Holy crap! I knew you were interesting. I knew it. Ah, this one's a daredevil. I like him. It looks like he's got a neck brace on. Actually, look at that. Encrypted comments detected in source control. Designation jerk. Okay. Wouldn't want to get agitated. This particular specimen. Would strongly advise against any such thing. Do not disturb. Although it is quite docile, really. Not easily disturbed, but not to be disturbed. Its large frame suggests to me it is an older form, less efficient, less capable in some ways, though specialized. Specialized like all the rest. It wouldn't still be around if it didn't have its uses, and just you look at it, you can guess what it is, for I'm sure you need a good plot of land to build upon. Why, here's a process you ought to call Royce. So Royce is practically the inventor of these processes that we're destroying. It prefers to pulverize and absorb. Lucky for us, we're their target. Alright, there we go.
Yikes.
Oh.
They got more friends. Run.
Yeah,
Just
running.
Run.
Running. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Go.
Made it.
Oh god.
That was 50 of them back there. Maybe more.
Yeah, no, I'm not ready to face 50 process people. Please no. Now, let's take a time to overlook the city.
Red. Have a look out there. Toward high-rise. Traverson Hall. The annex building. They're not there anymore. Half the skyline's disappeared. Whatever's after us, it's spreading. The Camerata. They'd rip this whole town apart. To get us. Or to get away.
Damn, Camerata. I wonder why they're after us, though.
Is that sandbox?
Oh, yeah. The one that, Two-faced bitch gave us. Sybil.
Shall we?
We shall. I could use a little break.
More
Hey!
of those doors opened up. How about we shut them?
Yeah. The hell is this? I don't remember this being here, or do I?
We're not alone. Hey, she's friendly, I think.
Oh, you.
Hi, Luna. Can I call you Luna?
Oh, yeah, I remember. I remember. We have Luna, and I still have you equipped, so I'm gonna call you out whenever
Luna,
I can.
fetch. Good girl.
Oh, you can fetch the ball. Oh, that is so cute. Oh.
Take that, ball.
Take that ball. I've bounced it more than 100 times already. What is wrong with me?
All cozy here, but what's going on out there? Process. I thought it only wanted you. It wants the whole town.
Really? If it wants the whole town, then that's the reason why the townsfolk ain't there. That's the reason why they've been killing off all these people. But for what? What power do they possess that the process or the Camerata want? That's my question. Alright, let's get this extra stuff down and handled. I actually really enjoy these.
Door number 1, round number 2.
Are we still gonna battle in the same place? The beaches? Yeah, we are.
Ready when you are.
Yeah, I'm ready. There we go.
That ought to do it.
Nicely done. Hey, we got a new music unlocked. That's awesome. I really love the soundtrack and the music that comes from here. It's,
Like last time, only better.
yeah, it's amazing. Alright, let's listen to the song, shall we? Hey, he's there. He's so lovable. Thanks, Sybil. You're the best two-faced bitch I've ever had. Interlace. Okay, so this is a regular stuff that we have. I wonder if it's actually a song though. I love how you immediately come to me.
That's our girl.
Yeah. You're so cute, Luna. Yeah. Sick that ball. Kill it. Yeah. You're so cute, Luna. Oh, hey, this is open. I didn't even realize that.
But wait, there's more.
Yeah.
Yep, more sand. Something's changed. Try your moves.
Oh, hey, we got our mask. Yeah, we're invisible now. We have it for 10 seconds. Alright, cool. Oh, we can't use it until... Okay. I don't know how much this goes for. Oh, okay, so it's just like a little twirl thing. Then we have a crash. These are short-ranged ones, so I'm really curious on how we're going to use this against our enemies. Withstand the process.
Just gotta hold him off.
Oh! Hey.
They stopped. We won.
Oh, the spine. Yes, finally.
If this is gonna give us an edge, then we might as well.
Yeah. Oh, there were 3 others. Oh my goodness, this is gonna take forever, but I'm loving it. Luna, give me some love before I fight the process.
Who's a good girl?
Luna is a good girl. I'm also your good girl, sword. Yes. Luna fishable. Yeah, Luna. So cute. Nothing inside, sleeping alone, fingers tied, nothing around, the heart beats inside. I see a spine of the world, sparkle and shine like the inside. I see the spine of the world. I know it's mine, twisted and tight. Alright, let's go. Should we do this one? 1 out of 7 or no pressure? Do I have a choice here? Like, if the other one disappears, I'm gonna be super upset because I'm gonna do this
What's
first.
behind door number 5?
That's door number 5? I can never tell. Which one's door number 1? 2, 3, 4?
So calm. We can come here for practice.
Oh, so this is like a practice form. Awesome. Oh, sweet. So I can actually test out new stuff. Turn when desired. The channel was to be a gallery space of sorts designed to showcase eclectic works from those pursuing non-standard vocations that traditionally held little share. Miss Shen found herself accused of stirring unrest by calling attention to meritless perspectives undeserving of notice. The group accosting her was angry for 17 different reasons in total, including how the channel edged out a competing vote for metro station that would have bridged the gap from Goldwalk to neighboring high-rise in one short ride. Miss Shen publicly lost her composure in this particular incident, which would have escalated further if not for several individuals who stood in her defense. They later offered their support with any such matters in the future. She agreed to meet with them, not realizing who they were. Oh. So all these powers that we're gaining have something to do with the Camerata. The people who died, the people who have special abilities, including Red / myself, we're all targets. What is wrong with this world?
Door number 3.
Yep. I wonder if I have it installed. Or if that was just practice and I still have my standard. Well, then again, this is...
We're surrounded.
Planning test 107. Terminate the process in 1 turn!
Oh, wait. Never mind.
Were you doubting my smartness? I will kill you. Now that we had our little break.
Back to reality.
Exactly my thoughts, talking sword. Now that we had a break.
Okay, back on track.
Again, exactly my thoughts, but you keep interrupting me. I actually want to save real quickly, but I don't think there's anything near me.
Time to dance. Dug in their heels this time.
What is this? Oh, the process upgraded.
Get out of our town.
Yeah. Career. To appreciate the impact of Red's music, consider first the current state of Cloudbank's social climate and how it evolved over the past 2 decades. When an altercation finally erupted in the crowd during one of her performances, it was the first such incident in 4 years. It escalated to the point where administrators were summoned to the scene. As one of the suspects was banned from the premises, he accused Red of being an instigator and a provocateur. Red later stated it was in this moment that she fully understood the potent effect her music had on people. She decided to take certain precautions from that point, receding from the spotlight to compose new material in relative privacy. Rumors swirled, then once she finally re-emerged, trouble followed. So our music, our voice, has so much influence in the world that it literally causes trouble and chaos. So she decided to go back in hiding, and then she went out, and that's when everything, I guess that's when everything started. That's messed up, man. All she wants to do is sing, and you guys are being mean. Okay. Patio. Can I go closer?
I was just thinking about the first time we went to the canals.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're Red's boyfriend slash intimate person. Then he died and turned into a talking sword, you know. Or at least your soul got enveloped into this. You know what? Let's just...
Head on in.
Yeah.
Coast is clear.
For now. Hey, terminal!
So it's true.
Traverson Hall is gone. Administration scrambles to explain sudden disappearance of historic high-rise landmark.
Red, let's go. While we still can.
Hold on. I need to read. The ever-changing facade of Traverson Hall may be gone for good, as independent reports confirm the entire structure has vanished. A 100-square-block area surrounded the structure's location has been designated offline pending investigation (OPI) as administrators conduct a thorough search of the premises. If you have information pertaining to this report, please contact your local administration. Let's comment. If anybody's reading this near Traversion, leave as soon as you can. R. Thank you for your comment. Submit it. Okay.
Used to be how many good drinking joints here? Caddies, Seaside, Cloud Alley.
Really? Sounds interesting.
All shut down.
Process upgraded. Who is... Oh, it's Snapshot!
Who else?
That was close.
Stay out of our way.
Oh my god. I lost breach again. And crash.
See this? This is what the Camerata want our town to be.
They want our town to be this? So they're basically getting rid of everyone in the town and then rebuilding it? What? So the Camerata's like basically, we want world destruction. We want world order. Lame. Huh.
I'll miss this place.
Yeah, we gotta stop them somehow though.
Going up.
Yep. Hopefully they got safe states. Safe states there. That'd be pretty helpful. They do! Perfect.
Should be able to get up through here.
Cool. After constructing his personal glider, Mr. Shasberg sailed forth one evening from a high-rise rooftop to the delight of thousands of onlookers at ground level. Onlookers lost visibility of him as he flew into the dense fog hanging over Goldwalk. Though their cheering continued for more than 40 minutes, Mr. Shasberg, meanwhile, completed his high drop very much as planned. What he did not expect was that several individuals were waiting there for him when he touched the ground. So these are all victims of the Camerata. Basically people who died. Except for us. We're still kicking, I guess. We gotta stop these people.